Hi everyone, welcome back to Green Beauty Chemist channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below for more exciting and green beauty DIYs. Today we have something very special in store for you. We're going to create our own DIY organic perfume. Now, who doesn't love a great perfume, right? And it gets even better when it's all natural and customized just for you. Before we start, let's set up our scale and our perfume bottle. We're using a 50 ml dark glass bottle. Dark glass bottle protects our perfume from sunlight that can alter its scent and longevity. Here's the recipe. We will use a total of 25 grams of liquid with 15 grams of organic jojoba oil as our carrier and 10 grams of essential oil split between our top, middle and base notes. For the top note, let's use 3 grams of bergamot oil. Middle note, we use 5 grams of blend of rose and ylang ylang. And for the base note, we use 2 grams of patchouli or cedarwood essential oil. Remember, the beauty of DIY is that you can always tweak the quantity and oil to your liking. This is just a guideline. Once you have added all your oils, cap your bottle and give it a gentle shake to blend everything together. And voila, you have your own DIY organic perfume. Let it sit for a few days to let the scent melt together. This process is called maceration. Then test it out and see if you want to make any adjustment. And that's it, your own organic custom perfume made right in your own home. Easy, right? Just remember, the key is to have fun with it. Experiment and find what works best for you. If you're interested in learning more about formulating retail grade beauty products, be sure to visit stablecosmeticformulation.com. Before we go, remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our green beauty tips and DIY. Until next time, stay green and stay beautiful.